Good morning, students. So today I'm going to start a new chapter of one of your book uh, by name Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. So this is a very interesting chapter. Now let me talk something about you can say a character sketch of this particular chapter. So this story is about a scientist who discovers how to make himself invisible. It is quite interesting as he was afraid of being discovered in London, where he had committed some crimes. He runs away to a remote village and then he runs out of money and resort to robbery, using his advantage of invisibility. So basically, this is a story about a man who is very supposed to be very intelligent and who does have a power to transparent his body. And the story revolves around this particular character Griffin. You can see over here, and Griffin is a kind of a eccentric scientist, you can say, who makes himself invisible. He does not hesitate to resort to criminal activities to remain a mystery. So this is a short intro about one of the character you can see over here, Griffin. Now the second character involved in this is Mrs. Hall. Now Mrs. Hall is a you can say a resolute but superstitious owner of one of the hotel whose name is Inn at Iping, where Griffin actually stays. Now the third character involved in this particular story is Mr. Jaffer. You can see over here. Now Jaffer is a dutiful policeman who fails to arrest the invisible scientist. So this is all about this particular chapter. I mean the character involved in this story. Now you can see over here that I have divided this particular chapter into 7 parts. So the summary of the chapter you can say starts from the first point which is written over here, that boys see footprints in street. So the story starts from the first point you can remember over here is point A, boy sees footprints in street. So the story goes like, two boys on a street in London were surprised to see the fresh muddy footprints of a bare feet on the steps of a house without finding who was making them. Now, further on, the footprints disappeared. So, suddenly it disappeared. Now, these footprints had been made by Griffin. And who is Griffin? Griffin is a kind of eccentric scientist who had discovered how to make his body transparent. He could only be seen only with the clothes he was wearing. So the moment he removes his clothes, he becomes invisible. So this is the way how the story starts. Now about Griffin, he is a kind of a lawless person. Griffin was having a criminal bent of mind. So by mind he is very a kind of a criminal man and was lawless person. He doesn't follow any rules and regulation. Now he set fire to his landlord's house to take revenge against him for trying to evict throughout him. So what he did was that he burned his landlord's house. Why? Because that particular person was trying to throw out him from his house. Now to get away, he had to remove his clothes so that he became invisible. So that is a point you need to always remember in your mind, that in order to become invisible, what he needs to do is he had to remove his clothes. Now he was homeless wanderer in London without clothes and money during winter. So this is a kind of situation he was facing. Who? Griffin. And he is supposed to be the protagonist of this particular story. Now, escape of Griffin. So how Griffin manages to escape? Now Griffin managed to escape from the two king's boys' observation and entered unseen into a big store to get warm. So after the store was closed at night, what Griffin did is Griffin put on some new clothes, consumed meat and coffee from the restaurant in the store, and went to sleep on a pile of coals. He overslept and only woke up when the shop had opened and the assistants had arrived. So, once being seen and chased by them, he again took off his clothes so that they could not see him. So, time and again, what this particular Griffin is doing is, in order to escape from being caught, what he did is he started removing his clothes to become invisible. So, this is the three points I've discussed. A. Boy sees footprints in streets. B. Griffin a lawless person. And C. Escape of Griffin.